Listen, I finally am getting the chance to clean me and my husband's sinks and counter. I was able to do this in about 30 minutes, but this is summarized for you in three. I actually had a housekeeper coming in once a month to deep clean this area for me and obviously other areas of my house. But I decided to scale back because we're trying to pay off some debt because we've been traveling a lot and swiping them credit cards, child. And we have been doing a really good job with paying those credit cards off. But, you know, every extra coin counts. So I'm like, listen, I'm going to save that money we were paying our housekeeper once a month to pay off them credit cards, child. So I have to put myself to work, which means that I am trying to motivate myself and others to do some deep cleaning, especially when you already had a long day. You could hear it in my voice that my day has been very long. If you have not heard my voice before, it's definitely not typically this raspy. I just came from a weekend trip from New York, so that is a 2.5 hour drive back and forth, and we only spent 24 hours there to celebrate my niece's birthday. So you know I'm tired, but I had some downtime in the car. I'm reading this book for work. It's actually pretty interesting. Anyway, here you'll see me cleaning out my counters, cleaning off my counters, and just going through my cabinets and putting some things away. I'm doing this on a Sunday because Monday mornings are definitely very hectic in my home. As I mentioned, I got two daughters. I gotta get myself dressed. I gotta do my hair, do my makeup, get them dressed, do their hair. My husband typically packs their lunches and, he drops them to where they need to go in the morning. So it's nice when you start off your week with a fresh and clean bathroom and with a fresh and clean house. I also took 30 minutes to do about like 2 loads of laundry when I got home and 30 minutes to do the girls' room. And so I'm using my last 30 minutes of the evening to do my bathroom. This is not my whole bathroom. I have a bathtub and shower and toilet in the room to the right. And the room to the left is my bedroom. So this is like an in-between space that me and my husband share. And I like it deep cleaned every now and then because, child, with our busy and hectic schedules, it definitely gets kind of gross over some time because we're like brushing our teeth, doing this stuff, and then running out the door. So did this